My name is Dinesh Purohit. I am the main organizer and anchor of this program, which is held every Friday at 6:30 p.m. in Lokhandwala Garden number 4.
जैसा कि हमारा दस्तूर है, सबसे पहले भजन से हम प्रोग्राम शुरू करते हैं।
जय जय राम जय श्री राम, दो अक्षर का प्यारा नाम, राम नाम के जपने से, ओ राम नाम के जपने से बन जाते सब बिगड़े का। जय जय राम जय श्री राम।
The whole thing started in a very amusing way. You see, initially when I used to go to the garden, I was feeling out of the place because most of them were Punjabis and they used to talk in their own mother tongue, which I hardly could comprehend. So I was just an onlooker in the group, and suddenly one day one of them recited the Urdu sher, to which I responded by saying "Wah," and they all for the first time took a notice of me and asked me whether I knew or was interested in Urdu Shairi. I said yes. So I was asked to cite a couple of them, which I did, and they all appreciated it very much. After that day, whenever we met in the mornings or in the evenings, it sort of became a routine that someone or the other did speak out a Urdu sher. And it started catching up. Then one of the meetings, either evening or morning, became a sort of mushaira, small one with 5-7 people. Then the idea of this program struck to one of us, late film producer Ram Dayal Sabarwal, and he said, why not keep a day in a week fixed for this kind of gathering, to which all of them agreed, and we started in the evenings. As such also we were gathering in Garden number 4, where the show is held even today, and we used to formally announce that the mushaira begins, and then one by one they would come prepared with some sher-o-shairi and recite there. Slowly people walking in the garden took a notice of this group sitting and doing this. People sometimes would, out of curiosity, would come and join us, and as time passed, the gathering became larger and larger. Then suddenly one of us thought, why not have a microphone so that it can look more organized and a formal program. We friends collected funds from amongst ourselves and bought a system. And in due course of, say, a few months, the gathering came close to about 100. Then we decided, why not have a mixed program of music as well as poetry. So we invited people. Those who want to sing, they can come and sing. Those who want to recite poetry, they can do that. Bhajan, even film song. So this is how the body of the work, that is this program, went on changing, and it is what it is today.
हमने मंगाई सुर में दानी, लिया जा जालिम बैन रिस्का ज़ेरेदा। हमने मंगाई सुर में दानी, लिया जा जालिम बैन रिस्का ज़ेरेदा। हाँ
आपके सामने आ रहे हैं कुलकर्णी जी।
दिल नादान तुझे हुआ क्या है, आखिर इस दर्द की दवा क्या है।
एक शेर पेश है, रहूं मैं होश में जब तक पिलाए जा मुझको, रहूं मैं होश में जब तक पिलाए जा मुझको, फिर इसके बाद तुझे अख्तियार है साथी।
In fact, people start waiting for this program immediately after the Friday is over. Right from Saturday till Thursday, they wait for this program. And Friday, ritually all of them come. Of course, initially the crowd was very much, then it stabilized, and now on an average, 70 people come. Once in a while, it goes to 100 also.
श्री जनाब नाज शहराई ये शायर हैं और खुद लिखते हैं,
ही नजर पे बात यूं तो मुझको लेकिन देखकर, ही नजर बेबाक यूं तो मुझको लेकिन देखकर, मुंह को पन्नों में छुपाना कोई सीखे, मुंह को पन्नों में सिखाना छुपाना कोई सीखे आपसे।
न मिली कोई यार नहीं है मेरा, आवाज मेरे दिल में उम्मीद का है, ऐसे तू कहाँ है, दुनिया मेरी जवां है, आवाज दे कहाँ है।
Some professionals who come there for walking, some professional Urdu poet or professional singer, they used to see our program from a distance. Then out of curiosity they came near, and some of them started sitting there during the program for 5-10 minutes, then for more time. We invited them also, and they gladly agreed. Sometimes a well-known Urdu poet, Naqsh Lyalpuri, who is not only famous, a known figure in Urdu literature, but was one of the top lyrics writers in Indian films. He comes there for walking, and once in month or two, he also joins us and recites his Urdu poetry, and he is very happy with the group, and we have his blessings for this. When we started the show, the idea came to Shri Ramdayal ji Sabarwal, and initially we were about 4 or 5 persons. Apart from Ramdayal ji, a very good friend, Mr. Jolly, who was very jolly as his name suggests. He is also unfortunately no more. Another gentleman who always had the habit of scouting talents. So when he saw me for the first time, then he encouraged me to say more and more poetry. Then they came to know that I sing also. So I started singing.
अब आपको मैं चंद शेर तरन्नुम में सुनाता हूँ। वीरा मक़दा हो सागर उदास है, तुम क्या गए के रूठ गए दिन बहार के,
महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे
महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ो चुनरिया। टूटे हुए ख्वाबों ने हमको ये सिखाया है, दिल ने जिसे पाया था आँखों ने गवाया है, टूटे हुए ख्वाबों ने।
Another person was a very senior citizen who is now 86 and he still continues to attend every program, every Friday, was Mr. Anand. And another person, one more person was Mrs. Shabnam Kapoor, and she was mother of Annu Kapoor. In her own right, she was a Urdu poet and used to recite her own poetry. And initially, sometimes she used to anchor this program, sometimes I used to anchor. But subsequently, she started frequently being out of Bombay, so I took over, and then she expired. So now, only I have been anchoring this program, and we are now completing 8 years. Initially, we never thought that we will go on for 8 years. Of course, now I feel we will go on for another 80 years. So we never thought of a name. It went on, and till date we have not named the organization. We do not know which organization is organizing it. We all collect, it is organized, and a few friends who help in every way, even including financially, like buying the mics, other things. And the federation, Lokhandwala Residents Federation, under which the garden happens to be, they help us in providing chairs by allowing us to hold the program in the garden. And some professionals who come and add prestige to our program.
आज शेरो शायरी में आंखों का जिक्र आया था, आंखों के महकाना शमा का जिक्र, तो उसी के ऊपर चंद शेर हैं।
तुम लाख मुश्किल में रहो पर हौसला रखना, ये हौसले ही मुश्किलों में काम देते हैं। तुम लाख मुश्किल में रहो पर हौसला रखना, ये हौसले ही मुश्किलों में काम देते हैं।
तन बूढ़ा मन है जवान, इश्क लड़ा कर देखो जान। तन बूढ़ा मन है जवान, इश्क लड़ा कर देखो जान। इश्क के मैदान में मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ पहलवान हूँ। हंसिएगा।
You see, number of people had never held a mic in their hand. They had never spoken or sung before a group or before an audience. We encouraged all those who come and sit there even out of curiosity. And I have felt that for 2 years a person was just sitting there and suddenly he said, I want to say something. Likewise, there are scores of them who were just coming there for entertainment value or for fun or just to see what is going on. And somebody started speaking or singing on the mic, say 7 years back, somebody started 5 years back, somebody has started just 2 years back. But this means our program is definitely encouraging and inspiring people to come forward. At one time, there used to be an old lady who is no more, who was nearly 90 years, but must be singing when she was young. So her husband once told me that she used to, or somebody said that she used to sing. So I would hold her hand, bring her to the mic, or sometimes take the mic to where she's sitting and ask her to sing. And she would sing a few lines in that given tone, you know. But I could feel after singing, we would clap, not for her beautiful singing, but for her, you know, courage to say something even at this age before the audience. And I could see, you know, all around her face a very broad smile and a sense of fulfillment and happiness. So this is how it has helped many people in de-stressing themselves. Many people have told us that, you know, we wait for this program because there is some outlet, and even if we don't come before on the mic, still when we go back, we are happier than what we were when we came, or we are less unhappy than what we were when we came, whatever way you may put. It so happened that once, I don't remember the name, some doctor also had attended the program. And subsequently, some newcomers, they came to attend the program, saying that the doctor had suggested us. I said, how is it that the doctor had suggested you? He said, we were not well, so we went there. So apart from diagnosing the disease and giving us the medicine, he said, one more medicine is there. You attend that Friday program, you will feel better. So this is how it has influenced even a medical person who felt that this is a nice way of de-stressing.
जो नहीं हंसते हैं इसका मतलब दिल में दुख है। हंसिएगा, करके हंसिए, 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 दुख निकलेगा।
कहाँ जा रहा है हुए जाने वाले, अंधेरा है मन का, दिया तो जला ले, कहाँ जा रहा।
When we were completing 7 years, we were coming close to 7 years, then the idea came to my mind that now so many years have passed, why not have a bigger show on its anniversary every year? So then the question was as to when we started it. Nobody could recollect the exact date. So I had to think when I retired and from active life, and how many months before I retired this had started. So a calculation went on. Other people had their own calculations. Still no firm date was decided. So we decided to hold it every January during the end of January. And when last year we were on the completion of 7 years, we held the first anniversary program in the end of January. At that time, nearly 200 people had collected. We had also invited some celebrities, and those celebrities who attended were Mukesh Khanna, Farida Jalal was there, then a very close friend of mine who was with me in college, Viju Kote. Now we are completing the 8th year, and we'll be having second annual program or anniversary celebration, whatever you may call.
बूढ़ा मन वैरागी बनो, अगर रहना है परिवार में, बहू बेटे का नाम जपो, अगर रहना है परिवार में। बूढ़ा शेर बिल्ली के बराबर, बूढ़ा शेर बिल्ली के बराबर, बोले मधुरी वाणी, जो कुछ मिलता है सो ले लो, भरो न आंख में पानी।
जाने वालों की याद आती है, दिल एक मंदिर है।
यही वफा का सिला है तो कोई बात नहीं, ये दर्द तुमने दिया है तो कोई बात नहीं। यही बहुत है तुम देखते हो साहिल से, यही बहुत है तुम देखते हो साहिल से, सफीना डूब रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं।
When the question came on giving a name to the organization, I became a little superstitious, which generally I am not. That without giving a name, the program is successful. Who knows, by giving a name, it may not remain so. So, we again postponed it, the idea. We will see in future as and when we feel you may give a name to the organization. Till then, it's going on fine, so no problem.